Hello and welcome to Crypto Boy. As you know, today I'm uploading video with my mobile phone because I'm out of city. You can hear I'm just out of city, and for emergency work I'm here for a few days, or might be for 1 2 weeks. But I'm trying to upload a video for you. As you know, it's for a long time I just haven't uploaded any video because I'm totally busy and my PC and my laptop is not with me. So you might see a noise behind the video, but sorry for that for now, because I don't have any microphone and I'm uploading this video from my mobile phone because I want to try to upload a video how you can transfer any assets, any cryptocurrency from your Trust wallet to your Binance account. As you know, in previous video I have just uploaded how you can transfer any coins, any crypto or any assets from your Binance to Trust wallet. But in this video you will learn how you can transfer your assets, your coins from Trust wallet back to your Binance account. So now let's jump to our Trust wallet and Binance, and directly I will show you how you can transfer your coins. So if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video, because we are trying to upload a useful video for all of you users, all of subscribers. So make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and never hesitate to type your comment or to share your idea in a comment section. So now let's jump to Trust wallet. Here you can see this is my Trust wallet, and for now I have 10 BUSD coin and 3 USD or $3 BNB coin. So to transfer any assets or any coins from your Trust wallet to your Binance, you should have a smart chain coin for transaction fees. If you don't have any BNB coin, then you cannot transfer your coins, because you need to have BNB in order to complete the transaction fees, in order to transfer your coin. So here you can check the Trust wallet homepage or a dashboard. You will find all your coins, all your assets in wallet option. Here you can check. So suppose I want to transfer my 10 BUSD coin. Okay, so at first what you need to do, go to your Binance account. This is my Binance, or this is Binance mobile application. Then go to your wallet. Now from wallet, at the top you will see three options: deposit, withdraw, transfer. Click on deposit option. In here you need to select the crypto, you need to select the assets that you want to transfer from Trust wallet. Suppose I want to transfer BUSD coin, so I will search BUSD, then click on it. Now after clicking on BUSD, here you will find three different networks. So make sure to select the correct network in order to receive your funds. If you select the wrong network, then you will lose your funds. So from here you need to select PIP20 Binance Smart Chain. So copy the wallet address. Now go back to Trust wallet, and then here suppose I want to, as I told you, I have 10 BUSD, so I will transfer my BUSD coin. So click on the first Binance pack BUSD, then click on send option. Recipient address, paste the address that you copied from your Binance account. Okay, now type the amount of BUSD that you want to transfer. So I will select the maximum, and then click on continue from right top of your Trust wallet. Okay, wait for a while, and try in transfer option. Here you will get all the detail. The assets is BUSD from multi-coin to the Binance address. The network fees is about 15 cents. So make sure you have BNB coin on your Trust wallet in order to complete the transaction fees. Then click on confirm. Now this is loading. Transfer. So you need to wait for 1 minute, 2 minutes, for a few minutes to complete the transaction fees. So we will wait for a while. Once that, okay, here you can see the transaction is completed, and now you can check I have 0 BUSD. Let's go back to Binance account. Okay, go back. Let's check if we have received our this BUSD coin. Okay, go down. Okay, till now we haven't received our BUSD, so we will wait for a few minutes. Okay, finally I have just received my BUSD coin. Here you can see 10 BUSD. So finally this is the easiest method, the easiest process that you can transfer your assets, your cryptocurrency from your Trust Wallet to your Binance account, no matter whether you are transferring Bitcoins, whether you are transferring whether you are transferring any like Bitcoins, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, no matter, the process is same, the method is same. Only you need to follow this video, only you need to follow this method. Whether this is not method that you want to transfer to your Binance, you can use your Coinbase, KuCoin, CoinSpot, Bybit, any all the exchange, all the top exchanges or any other exchange. The method is same, the process is same, so you can follow the same method. As I show you that finally we just receive our BUSD coin. So if you have any problem, if you have any questions, so please feel free to ask me in the comment section. And our video is just end up here. Might be I upload a video uh, after 2 days, 3 days, or weekly I upload one video, because for now I'm out of city. I'm here. You can check a beautiful weather, so I will try to upload a video in a week, 2 videos, 3 videos, because here I'm totally busy and I don't have my PC, my laptop, but I will try to upload video with my mobile phone. So our video is just end up here. So don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.